Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, shut down the laptop, remove battery when possible, and unplug the AC adapter to avoid shorts. Once done, wear an anti-static strap and open the access panel for the optical drive. You need clear access and to avoid static damage. Remove the CD drive by unscrewing its retaining screw and sliding it out straight. Do not force. Use a spudger if the bezel resists. This immediate work prevents damage and sets you up to swap in an SSD caddy properly. With the drive removed, insert your 2.5 SSD into the caddy, aligning the SATA connector carefully so pins seat without bending. Once aligned, press gently until it clicks and secure the SSD with the small screws. This prevents vibration and intermittent contact. Reattach the adapter bracket if required, then slide the assembled caddy back into the optical bay evenly, don't angle it. Tighten the retaining screw and replace the panel. These steps ensure solid mechanical and electrical connections. Power on and enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new SSD is detected and set the correct boot priority. This proves the physical connection works. Once the OS boots, open Disk Management to initialize and format the drive if needed. This makes it usable for storage or cloning. If the SSD isn't seen, shut down, reseat the caddy and connectors, and inspect the bracket for damage. Sometimes a misaligned adapter or loose screw causes the issue. If problems persist, test the SSD in another bay or with an external USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.